Hi, my name is Brayden Woodard, and today I'm going to be discussing makerspaces in the workplace. So, what are makerspaces? Makerspaces are a hub or area where creative minds can go to collaborate and work on outside projects other than assigned tasks. This encourages creative thinking, works on the design process, engineering process. From excerpt from Laura Fleming's Worlds of Making. She describes a makerspace as a place where people have an opportunity to explore their own interests, learn to use tools and materials, both physical and virtual, and develop creative projects. What does a makerspace look like in my future workplace? In my future workplace, as a design engineer for a software company or large tech company, the makerspace would utilize multiple windows to attract passerbys to join in on the makerspace fun. These windows would also be writable to promote communication and creative thinking. Movable open table arrangements as well as comfortable seating will be available. Large monitors and presentation screens will also be available. This environment altogether will create an open space to allow for a feeling of open energy and allow open discussion. So what will the makerspace contain? This is numerous parts will go into implementing a makerspace. As I said, um, various equipment will be utilized, such as movable whiteboards, drawing tablets connected to monitors to encourage doodling and drawing. Also, 3D modeling technology would help, as well as some CAD technology. So that way, envisioned ideas can be brought into prototypes, and from there, the design process can take off. This equipment promotes the engineering and design process and enables users to freely access this equipment. What will the makerspace contain? Again, other fun projects such as soldering irons, breadboards, as well as Arduino boards, and other electrical materials to allow for creative tinkering. Other items that will be accessible in the makerspace include puzzles as well as Arduino board technology. I actually have one on hand. Let's see this here. So this is actually used for any type of design in which you can test your code with LEDs. Um, you'll see an LED screen here, as well as various other LEDs and buttons. You'll see various buttons, as well as a dial here. So this can be fun to interact. You can actually make little cars with these, robots. So this is nice to have on hand. I also have the puzzle that you see to your right. Um, this is actually pretty fun. It took me about 45 minutes to complete. It just gets your mind thinking and the design process and your engineering process and kind of puts everything together. And as in the article that I mentioned, Sam Williams, which is a senior engineer, he states collaborating and problem solving on projects that aren't your assigned task can help you collaborate and problem solve when you're back at your desk. So, like I said, things like puzzles and fun projects like this can really just start getting the design process going, and back at the task at hand can actually help you proceed. So it also includes non-employees in workshops at certain times. We can incorporate um, local clubs from elementary schools to join workshops in our makerspace. These workshops can include soldering, Arduino boards, breadboards, intro to processors, and fun projects like that. So all in all, when you put this makerspace together, it does have quite an impact on learning process as well as the final product. It can impact in a multitude of ways. It can promote creativity, design thinking, expand media and technology literacy, encourage collaboration, communication, and promote the engineering and design process. Here are my references. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.